All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Metmo Helico MKII here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. And you guys, you can check out the comments down below. Check out this button right over here. It says like, and the other one next to that says subscribe. Try to see if anything cool happens, and also you can check out fablades.com and see if there's anything you like, especially fidget toys. And let's go ahead and check this guy out. Metmo Helico MKII. These guys sent me this toy here to check out and share my impressions with you, and here you have it. So you can check out some more information scanning the QR code right over there. It comes with this box, which was a little bit crushed during the transit, but still it's nice. Right over here you just pull these two guys out, and there goes the box. Right over here we have two pieces. Very interesting toy right over here. We're going to check it out in a second. First of all, I want to show you some measurements. Very straightforward. We're going to check the weight, which is 48.7 grams. Not too bad. And the size of this fella, which is going to be 40 by... what is this? By 24. So it's not... do like that. It's not that big. I want to show you, for example, one Woo Camera M right next to that. Smaller than that, right? Some bigger stuff like Milkia from ACEDC and go bigger. Another one, the Cart by ACDC. Again, I want to show you the Battle Sheet, for example, another slider. That's a pretty cool one. And a couple of options from, look at this, one of my favorite spinner guys right there is the 3B. And what else can I show you? The Coke. That's a Coke bottle cap. You want to see another one? Sure, why not? Telephone dial, black mirror design, bam, in the house. What about this guy? Love this fella. This is the Puffer Crasher. Super cool. But anyways, we are here to check out Helico toy. Look at this. It's a very unique toy. There's two neodymium magnets right over there on each side of the toy, which are attracting to each other. If you just twist one, guess what? They're gonna repel. All right, so these, they stay together. These, they don't. You can also do this, so they're gonna stay together also on this side, because there's gonna be some attraction going this way. So you have these are like tire-shaped kind of things with some 3D printed material with very high tolerances. And there's something pretty cool and sleek and simple about this fella. So basically, you can play in a couple ways. One would be, for example, very simple, just like, sorry, just like this, rotating the top one. Very simple. Doesn't do much, but the main one, it would be, of course, putting these guys one next to each other, having them, you see how the grooves, they compenetrate into each other, like, cogs in a gear box or whatever. And right over here, you hold this, and there you go. So you have this fella, which is basically rotating around, and doesn't fall because of the magnetic attraction, of course. And you just, you can just spin this. Of course, if you spin faster, it might fall off, like in this case, but you really have to give it a tough spin. Another one, another way to play could be just like this, but just by rolling this one of the two, and the other one is just gonna fall, right? The previous one. So you get this kind of very light finger massage kind of thing going on because of the grooves, and it's nice. It feels good because this is like has a rubbery feel. It's kind of hard, but also not too hard. I mean, you have the metal and this 3D printed material, which is hard, but has like a hard plastic kind of feel. So it's good in the hand, like how it rubs, and you can just, just rotate it like this, and it's fine because it rubs like the skin in a nice way, so it has a nice tactile feel for sure. From the look standpoint, is very straightforward, couple tires, but this is what's very interesting, because you can just feel the momentum of this thing, like just pulling back and forth. And that's a very pleasant sensation, and it's quiet, so you can watch a movie and just be like that. And also we have the vibration that is transmitted to your hand, because this guy is just spinning around. So very interesting fidget toy. It's a new one, a new design, novelty for sure. And yeah, as you can see, you just don't have to spin it too much, otherwise it might just fall out. But yeah, as long as you are like, not pushing it too much, or like even just like this, you're gonna be absolutely fine. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.